Hi, in our previous class we were discussing about biogas plant as well as its advantage, right? So in today's section we will be discussing about wind energy. Before moving to the wind energy, we should know how this wind is produced. We all know this wind is a natural phenomenon which is produced or which is caused due to the pressure differential due to unequal heating of land and water mass on the surface of that. It means a very simple thing. Wind is obtained due to unequal heating of land and water bodies on the surface of the earth. This wind energy is a environment friendly and efficient source of energy. How to produce wind energy? We will be knowing. Let's move one of the important topic in this chapter, windmill. You can see the diagram at the right of it. So here you can see the three blades. Many of us have been seen it in the live, which is having a rigid support pole. Usually this windmill required a wind so that these blades can rotate. When this blade rotate, the shaft or turbine get rotated. With the help of turbine rotation, we can produce electrical energy. Basically, this windmill required a wind whose speed is at least 15 km per hour. That means the speed of wind should be greater than 15 km hour in order to rotate those blades so that we can generate electricity. Usually, the single windmill does not produce a huge amount of energy. Hence, we are constructing n number of windmill called wind farms. It means a group of windmill constructed in one particular area. We call that area as a wind farms. Let's move for the advantages of windmill. As wind is renewable source of energy, the energy obtained with the windmill is also called renewable source of energy, and it is eco-friendly. They are efficient. Let's move limitation, or you can say demerits or disadvantages. As we discussed above, the speed of wind should be constant or greater than 15 km per hour so that blade can rotate. We must keep backup storage facility like cell or battery to store the energy produced by the windmill. It requires large land area as a single windmill does not produce enough amount of energy. And at last, we can say it is having a high maintenance and high initial cost. It means the setup cost for windmill or wind. Solar energy. Solar energy are those energy which has been obtained by the sun. As we all know, sun has been radiating the energy from many years ago, and it will be do so. Let's move for the definition of solar energy. The energy obtained from the sun, heat and light, is known as solar energy. Sun has been radiating energy from past 5 billion years and will continue to do so at the same rate for another 5 billion years or more. Hi, today we'll start